Yo. Y'all looking like, is he on Belle Isle? No, not on Belle Isle. See that big sign right there? All the way over here. I can't tell y'all where our boat at, but you know what I'm saying? I'm showing y'all. Boy, y'all chilling on it's a hot day. It's a hot day. I'm showing y'all how we just chill. About to get on our boat, ride out for a minute. See how nice it is outside. See that water? Yeah, we like a lot of miles away from Detroit right now. But what's funny is white people looking like, how did this nigga afford a boat out here? See them?
Alright, and then tomorrow you're gonna go to
It's looking like,
Sammy's gonna be in the thing. Yeah.
Alright.
This is the last week.
Group's postponing the finals for 2 weeks because his girlfriend's leaving town.
Yeah, I know, you told me.
He asked Alan to do it. Alan said okay.
Of course. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow maybe.
Alright.
y'all see that. Biking on the boat. So the next thing y'all see is us chilling on the boat. Nice hot day. That's what we do. Ladies, more invited. You know, y'all welcome. Showing y'all how we really do. I make sure I don't fall right now because I'm on see that little tight old little edge right here. But y'all already know what it is. Once again, biking on the boat. So next thing y'all see is me on the boat right now. So D-boy, signing out. See that? D-boy. All right. On the boat right now. On the boat, chilling. It's hot outside, so we decided to take the boat for a little cruise and everything like that. You know, parties this summer. Y'all know how we do, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you, all them white people was looking like, I can see the camera going in now, it's the waves, it's the waves, it's the waves. But all the people was looking like, who is this? A nigga on a boat? But you know, you see it up there. You know, we just chilling, having a ball. You know what I'm saying? Yacht style. That's how we do it. That's Willie right there.
How the hell you like me now? See,
chilling on the boat right now.
I'm doing this shit by myself. I had a wife, but you know what? It's over. What up? By the way, ladies, I'm singing. Y'all can hit me.
Hey, tell them. Hey, tell them.
I love the young girls.
We chilling on the boat. We chilling on the boat. It's hot outside. We having a ball right now. And you know, this how we do on a nice little, you know, summer, spring day, whatever the case may be. So we got his webcam going, I got mine going right now.
And we got the
ladies,
cannon going.
And we got the cannon right here. Look, and we got the big boy. It's the big boy right here. See? Let's see. Right there. Look, ladies. I'm telling y'all, look, right there. Look. There. See that? Good. And then this is what we gonna do for that.
That's VIP, motherfucker. It cost me $3 to get back there.
So y'all already know what it is, man. We holding it down right here.
Private dances back there.
Oh yeah, tell them. Private dances, right?
Back there for the private dances.
So we just having fun right now, having a ball. And we be back. I'm gonna show y'all some more of that water of what is it like? Metros. I don't know. We far out right now, but y'all know what it is. MostWanted, holding it down, man. Yeah, man. Everybody get some more boat footage up. Ooh, it's tilting this way a little bit. You see that? Yeah, right now I'm chilling on the boat. I'm just chilling right now. Y'all see that? I'm gonna show y'all outside right quick. That's it, you know. So you know, we just showing y'all how, you know what I'm saying. Y'all try to stunt on, man. We stunting on the water, you know what I'm saying? We taking dominion over this earth right now, you feel me? Big words, you feel me? Like, come on, we chilling right now. It's warm in here, feeling good, doing all that. About to go pick up my bro and everybody right now, you know what I'm saying? About to cruise to the city. So y'all already know what it is, man. It's part like 3 or something like that. I did so many parts on here, but I'm just showing y'all how we just chilling on the water right now. That's what it is. MostWanted, boy.